With WheelOf.link, you can control your spin wheel directly from Stream Deck using webhooks. This makes it really easy to trigger spins, stop the wheel, close the result, or toggle visibility with a single button press. First, head over to WheelOf.link in your web browser and open your wheel. If you haven't created a wheel yet, check out our other tutorials on how to set this up and how to add it to your OBS overlay. Scroll down to the Stream Deck section on your wheel's edit page. Here you'll find webhook URLs for auto spin, manual start, manual stop, hide wheel, show wheel, and close result pop-up. In Stream Deck, add a website key and paste one of these URLs into the URL field. Then change the Open with Default Browser to Get Request in background. You can also download our ready-made icons for your buttons, which are available in light or dark, and have space for your own label. Now, when you press the button, your wheel will respond straight away. You can set up multiple buttons for different actions, or use the key logic option in Stream Deck to apply multiple actions to the same button. Once you've got this set up, why not combine this with Twitch integration for fully automated streams? Ready to try it? Create your wheel at wheelof.link/create and start spinning.